I don't know about you, but my Detty December just got started.
Welcome to December!
Ride with me to my very first December adventure. Where I'm from, December is not just a month, it's a lifestyle. Everywhere is loud, alive, and everyone is chasing a moment. So I decided to start mine differently, not with clubs, but with automotive finesse. My first stop was F1 at AUTOHAUS. AUTOHAUS is a car-themed lifestyle space for petrol heads and for anyone who just loves the motorsport lifestyle. It's located in Lekki Phase 1, Lagos, Nigeria. An F1 viewing was organized inside the car-themed restaurant called Carbon within the space. I didn't arrive there in time to begin the race, and this wasn't just any F1 race. It was the last F1 race of the 2025 F1 season, Abu Dhabi. Getting in, F1 fans were glued to the screen and tensions were high. This season had started with so much going on. From Lewis Hamilton's move to Ferrari, to Oscar Piastri topping the leaderboard, then Ferrari's consistent fails, McLaren allegedly sabotaging Oscar Piastri for Lando Norris, Max Verstappen's epic comeback from the second half of the season, gunning for another Drivers' Championship and even being on pole at Abu Dhabi. The race ended no differently than everyone already knew, but silently hoped for different results. Max was in the lead with Lando in third, giving him just what he needed to win the 2025 World Drivers' Championship title. This one received with different reactions because while Lando has a lot of fans, he also has lots of haters. And I'll only say this once. Max is a very good driver. The season came to an end in good faith and we decided to have some fun outside. Most of the drifters were in Abuja for the Fanfaro Abuja invasion happening on the same day, so we had Alhaji Muse spin the E30 drift car to entertain us. A bit of the get-together, I set out to my next location. What was meant to be a calm drive ended up being a spirited adventure with a BMW M4, and I had to show that in some cases, it's the driver, not the car.
Nice.
None of that was gotten on camera though. After a while of hooning, we went our separate ways and I thought the adrenaline peaked there. I was wrong. Torq 2025 isn't just an event. It's where car culture, bike culture, and pure chaos meet. Upon my arrival, I was met with engines revving, burnouts everywhere, and people screaming like it was a concert. There were different activities ranging from cultural displays to drift performances by the Torq organizers, and even the loudest pipes challenge for the biker with the loudest exhaust notes. Torq was pure madness. This is the side of Detty December that people don't talk about enough. The community. Strangers bonding over motorsports. No introductions, just respect and undiluted energy. Detty December isn't just about doing everything, it's about feeling something. For me, engines, speed, cars, bikes, that's home. And this was just episode 1. We're just getting started. It was a wild start to my December. 2 events, massive drama, and an unforgettable vibe. Echo Drive is happening right now, and I can't wait to show you the crazy collection of cars that pulled up in the second episode. So, which event are you pulling up to this dirty December? Drop your plans in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any automotive related updates and even episode 2 of my adventure, which is crazier. See you next Sunday at 6 p.m. WAT. Cheers.